And once again, it's the Hun, back again with another unboxing video because fuck all. Got some stuff from Right Stuff Anime. Got some stuff to read. It's gonna be fun. Here we go. Alright, put that. Shoot, there. Probably should have placed the knife closer to me before I started this. Remember, when cutting, cut away from you. So in case it slips, you don't fucking cut yourself. A little bit of knowledge for y'all. Alright, open it up. Some very well packed shit, as usual. Alright. Toss my recycling box. See. Nope, that's it. Empty box. Ta-da. Box box behind me. And roll, roll, roll. Let's see. Yarn about that. Huh, school. So, school. I got a thing for School Live. Take a gander at that. Never seen it. So, what did I waste my money on this time? The manga for the movie Your Name. Because I feel like crying while reading. You know. There. Ooh. Discount thingy. Not gonna scratch that up until after this. Lesbian Dragon #2. Pokemon, let's see. Pokemon Ruby Sapphire, Volume 2. 3. And 4. You know, I don't want to keep reading. And finally, let's see. Lesbian Dragon, Volume 3. And finally, this. I have no idea what this is about. So I'd check it up. See what it is. Gonna be interesting. So, that's kind of it. Yeah. Have a fantastic day or night, whatever you wish to have. Or don't. I mean, who the fuck am I to tell you what to do?